Good morning, class 4th. How are you all? I hope you must be doing great and you must be studying also, right? Yes, it is required these days because we get a whole day. So it's better to use our time wisely. All right, class. So today we are going to know more about our solar system. As you all know, in our solar system we have our 8 planets. We all know the names of 8 planets, but today we are going to know the fun facts of our solar system. And what are they? Okay, I'm going to tell you in detail. As we know, we have 8 planets. The first one is Mercury. So, what is the fun fact about Mercury? Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is made up of metal and rock. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, but not the hottest. It has no moons, no rings, and 38% of the gravity of Earth. A day on Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. So it's really very interesting about Mercury. Now Venus, the second planet. Venus has no moons or rings and can reach temperatures of nearly 880 Fahrenheit. It is sometimes called the morning or evening star because Earth's moon is the only thing brighter than Venus in the night sky. The core is made up of iron and metal. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of the Earth. Now Earth. Earth is our planet in which we live. Earth is the only planet that has life. It is the only planet that has an atmosphere humans can breathe, and the only planet that has liquid water on its surface. The Earth is the only one of the inner planets to have one large satellite, the Moon. Now Mars. Mars is named after the Roman god of war and has 2 moons named Phobos and Deimos. Because Mars doesn't have any oceans, it has nearly the same land surface as the Earth. Mars' surface is dry and much of its area covered with reddish dust and rocks that makes it appear red when we see it from the Earth's surface. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system and it has more than 50 moons. We have only one moon on the Earth and Jupiter has 50 moons. 4 of the moons are the size of planets and one of the moon has more volcanoes than any other planet in the solar system. Jupiter has rings made of dust and bits of rock. A fact that surprised scientists when the rings were discovered in 1979. The red spot on Jupiter is a gigantic storm that has been visible for at least 300 years. So class, it is very important. You should know about different planets and what they are made up of. So it's very interesting. Now Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system and it is made up of more hydrogen than helium. So it is less dense. It has small rocky core covered with liquid gas. The rings surrounding Saturn stretch out into space for thousands of miles and are made up of millions of ice crystals. Some as some as big as houses, and others are as small as specks of dust. Now Uranus turns on its axis once every 17 hours and 14 minutes and makes one trip around the sun every 84 Earth years. Now Neptune is the coldest planet in our solar system. Its largest moon, Triton, has a retrograde orbit, meaning it orbits Neptune backwards from the rest of the moons. Despite its huge size, the gravity on Neptune is similar to the Earth. So class, it's really interesting to know about the facts. Now your work is that we have given you a worksheet in which all the planets are given. You have to identify the planets and you have to mention that name. So, or you can draw a picture, or you can draw a beautiful chart of solar system and color it beautifully. Once the school will open, we'll get it from you. Okay class? Thank you and have a great day.